THETA value equivalent to 18.2663 rands a coin. The present cost range, 17.7082. 19.2306. The earlier day close, 18.5349. The change was 0.2686. 1.45%. Backwards rate. ZAR to THETA. THETA cost expectation for. In the not so distant future and month. THETA cost expectation on Wednesday. WOC 8. Cost 19.15 rands. High 20.49. Low 17.81. THETA conjecture on Thursday. WOC 9. Cost 18.52 rands. High 19.82. Low 17.22. THETA cost expectation on Friday. WOC 10. Cost 17.91 rands. High 19.16. Low 16.66. THETA conjecture on Monday. WOC 13. Cost 16.11 rands. High 17.24. Low 14.98. In multi-week THETA cost expectation on Tuesday. WOC 14. Cost 15.70 rands. High 16.80. Low 14.60. THETA gauge on Wednesday. WOC 15. Cost 16.63 rands. High 17.79. Low 15.47. THETA cost forecast on Thursday. WOC 16. Cost 16.10 rands. High 17.23. Low 14.97. THETA gauge on Friday. WOC 17. Cost 15.44 rands. High 16.52. Low 14.36. THETA cost forecast on Monday. WOC 20. Cost 15.53 rands. High 16.62. Low 14.44. In about 14 days THETA gauge on Tuesday. WOC 21. Cost 16.17 rands. High 17.30. Low 15.04. THETA cost forecast on Wednesday. WOC 22. Cost 15.80 rands. High 16.91. Low 14.69. THETA gauge on Thursday. WOC 23. Cost 16.01 rands. High 17.13. Low 14.89. THETA cost forecast on Friday. WOC 24. Cost 15.52 rands. High 16.61. Low 14.43. THETA gauge on Monday. WOC 27. Cost 15.04 rands. High 16.09. Low 13.99. In 3 weeks THETA cost forecast on Tuesday. WOC 28. Cost 15.96 rands. High 17.08. Low 14.84. THETA figure on Wednesday. WOC 29. Cost 15.91 rands. High 17.02. Low 14.80. THETA cost expectation on Thursday. WOC 30. Cost 15.74 rands. High 16.84. Low 14.64. THETA figure on Friday. WOC 31. Cost 16.92 rands. High 18.10. Low 15.74. THETA cost expectation on Monday. April 3. Cost 16.96 rands. High 18.15. Low 15.77. In about a month THETA figure on Tuesday. April 4. Cost 18.25 rands. High 19.53. Low 16.97. THETA cost expectation on Wednesday. April 5. Cost 18.96 rands. High 20.29. Low 17.63. THETA figure on Thursday. April 6. Cost 18.97 rands. High 20.30. Low 17.64. THETA value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. THETA cost expectation for WOC 2023. Initially cost at 20.63 rands, excessive cost 22.07, while low cost 13.99. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.40. THETA cost figure toward the month's end 16.92. Change for spring 18.0%. THETA estimate for April 2023. To start with cost at 16.92 rands, exorbitant cost 20.37, while low cost 14.35. The found the middle value of cost 16.77. THETA cost estimate toward the month's end 15.43. Change for April 8.8%. THETA cost expectation for May 2023. At the outset cost at 15.43 rands, exorbitant cost 19.04, while low cost 15.43. The found the middle value of cost 16.92. THETA cost estimate toward the month's end 17.79. change for May 15.3%. THETA figure for June 2023. Before all else cost at 17.79 rands, excessive cost 22.08. While low cost 17.79, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.58, THETA cost figure toward the month's end 20.64, change for June 16.0%. THETA cost expectation for July 2023. Before all else cost at 20.64 rands, excessive cost 20.64. While low cost 16.13, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.69, THETA cost figure toward the month's end 17.34, change for July 16.0%. THETA figure for August 2023. Before all else cost at 17.34 rands, excessive cost 17.34. While low cost 13.55, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 15.70, THETA cost figure toward the month's end 14.57, change for August 16.0%. THETA cost expectation for September 2023. In the first place cost at 14.57 rands, exorbitant cost 17.09. While low cost 14.57, the found the middle value of cost 15.55, THETA cost gauge toward the month's end 15.97, change for September 9.6%. THETA gauge for October 2023. In the first place cost at 15.97 rands, exorbitant cost 16.82, while low cost 14.62. The found the middle value of cost 15.78, THETA cost gauge toward the month's end 15.72, change for October 1.6%. THETA cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place cost at 15.72 rands, exorbitant cost 15.72, while low cost 13.04. The found the middle value of cost 14.63. THETA cost gauge toward the month's end 14.02. Change for November 10.8%. THETA gauge for December 2023. In the first place cost at 14.02 rands, exorbitant cost 17.11, while low cost 14.02. The found the middle value of cost 15.29. THETA cost gauge toward the month's end 15.99. Change for December 14.1%. THETA cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place cost at 15.99 rands, exorbitant cost 15.99, while low cost 13.85. The found the middle value of cost 15.18. THETA cost gauge toward the month's end 14.89. Change for January 6.9%. THETA gauge for February 2024. In the first place cost at 14.89 rands, exorbitant cost 14.89, while low cost 11.63. The found the middle value of cost 13.48. THETA cost gauge toward the month's end 12.51. Change for February 16.0%. THETA cost expectation for WOC 2024. In the first place cost at 12.51 rands, exorbitant cost 12.51, while low cost 9.77. The